What if your Node.js app running on Elastic Beanstalk has a 2-week instance, EC2 instance, and you don't want to spend more money on a stronger instance? A quick solution would be adding a swap space, and it will help with your app crashing, but keep in mind that deployments might be a little bit longer, and you will add the swap space by adding a hook. And we can add this as a pre-built hook. It doesn't matter in which order the hooks are processed in my case, but keep in mind, I think they are alphabetical processed. And this hook here should help with your problem with app crashing, but it will probably prolong deployment time.